Am I starting now?
That was the best.
What up, guys? Hello, people of the world. Welcome to Mia's 7th birthday. Now, today's a little bit different than what we usually do. We usually post these things everywhere. We make, you know, big kind of events. We let all the free flyers know. But this time is a little bit different. We've kind of made this a little bit smaller, a bit more invite only. Still kind of same old thing. Nice big fly with everyone. Mia's always having fun. Look how scruffy she looks right now. It's definitely molting season for her. But then obviously back to the house, and we'll check out how the net holds up with 20 birds under it. Fiona, explain what's happening here.
So Sky doesn't want to come back and Jordan's really struggling and she's just not playing ball. As you can see, demonstrated here.
Right, you're getting grounded.
There we go.
You see, sometimes you don't need to recall train your birds, you just have to grab them by the beak and just see what happens. So Abby has made the most amazing mix for me. We're very happy about this. It's got so many beautiful layers of beautifulness. So I'm here with Chico because Chico doesn't get off me. Let's have a look and see what everyone is doing out here. Everyone seems like they're having somewhat fun. So I think there's about maybe 18 or 19, maybe 20 birds here today. It doesn't actually seem that much, which is really, really nice. Yes, this is our first kind of bird party we've had in a little while. We've had a lot of little ones, you know, 2 or 3 different groups of people, a couple of birds, but it's our first big one. It's been a crazy busy summer. We've had probably more human parties, haven't we, Dan?
Yeah, so
without birds.
Have been quite
Dan
cool,
doesn't live here.
I do live here.
He thinks he lives here. It's just lovely. You know,
I'm the handyman.
He's our handyman.
Oh no.
Single and ready to mingle. Woo!
Beautiful. She's looking for a good man.
If anyone likes lovely hair and birds,
this is the lady.
This is the lady for you. Talk to me about the cake you made.
I was made to do it by Claire. She forced me.
I hate it.
Alina, tell me what's happening here.
Jordan's struggling with the birds, as you can see. Do not get a macaw.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Come on, Mia, you gotta come down. I mean, it looks pretty, but
Mimi, we'll just get a shot of Dory eating it and pretend it's Mia.
good girl, Mia. Good girl. Happy birthday, Mia. Dory, is it your birthday? Mango, do you want some cake?
Good.
He's like, no, just don't think, just do, yeah, because you don't get 5 minutes, so it's like, there's so much to do.
This is why we don't do big birthdays all the time. No, it's easy to clean, it'll be fine. So while we're eating pizza, the bird's gonna have a cheeky treat. Mr. Pango, would you like a walnut?
Oh, now you're eating.
Wow. Would you like a walnut? No? Yeah? Don't take your time choosing the best one, just pick one. Don't be picky. Oh, Mikey and Mia are like, what is going on? Come here. Good boy, go back. Here you go, Missy. Good girl. Here you go, Malik. Hey, Miko. Alright guys, so today was basically pretty intimate, pretty small, invite only, but if you guys want to come to a public day, when I say public, I don't mean just for bird owners or free flyers. For anyone who wants to come watch us fly, we get a whole bunch of emails and we get a whole bunch of messages saying, I'd love to watch your birds fly. We used to do meet and greets, we stopped them when we had our daughter, but we are actually going to line up a fly day in about a month.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Just got to help his friend out and family. Thank you.
We're going to line up a public fly day in about a month's time, literally maybe around the 8th or 14th of September, around the area, and whoever wants to come. So stay tuned to our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for more info about that.
So like, I got really bad
So as the day wraps up, people slowly leave. The birds are tucking into their dry mix. They're absolutely loving it. Today we have a mix of the Mikey and Mia veg with the Petit Beaks veg with some seeds. Just a bunch of random leftovers really. Abby over here is playing some sort of games with the plants and the birds. We're not really too sure what she's doing, but she seems like she's having fun. It's 6:30, people are still here. We're still hanging out. Baby human's kind of happy. Are you happy? She's kind of happy. The birds are about to go to sleep because it's kind of late. It's time now, like 8 o'clock maybe. Yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Also, like I said earlier, if you guys do want to come watch Mikey and Mia fly, stay tuned to the socials for whoever wants to come. It won't be a big thing, you know, we'll be there. A couple of other friends will be there. But apart from that, kiss for him, kiss for you guys, and see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take a video.
It's
See, here's where it goes in the Instagram.
Here's where people break glass. Why do they do
glass?
I know.
I'm a sensible adult. With his stomach hanging out.
Look, there you go. Look at, I did all this hard work. I did it all myself.